This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the core assets and tools so you can move fast. First, get the Goku model files, model binary, config, and tokenizer, because the TTS engine needs them. Once done, set up a clean Python virtualenv and install required packages with pip. This prevents conflicts. If you plan to use GPU acceleration, make sure CUDA drivers and matching PyTorch builds are installed. Doing this now avoids errors later and speeds up synthesis significantly. Next, install a TTS engine that supports custom voices and model injection. Clone or pip install the repo. Then, integrate Goku files by placing them into the engine's models directory and adjusting config paths so the loader finds model, config, and tokenizer. Once configured, run a short synthesis test phrase to confirm the engine produces output. Listen for timbre and phoneme alignment. If audio is quiet or clipped, check sample rate, bitrate, and device settings, because those commonly cause mismatches. Finally, refine the voice by tuning pitch, speed, and denoiser to get the Goku character right. Generate longer clips in batch to validate consistency, and monitor GPU memory and CPU load to prevent dropouts. Once stable, integrate into your app via the engine's API or export WAV/MP3 files. If things go wrong, check logs for errors, ensure sample rates match across model and audio settings, and verify tokenizer and config paths. Fixing those resolves most synthesis failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.